Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to restore your 11 Labs subscription access. So actually guys, the first case is you canceled but a billing period hasn't ended. So if you canceled recently from the subscription right here or by going with the cancel subscription button and your plan hasn't expired yet, you will need to log into 11 Labs with your account first, and then just click on your profile icon that's located at the top right and go with the subscription option as the second option under the settings option. Okay, and after that, if available, you can click resume subscription or reactivate button that you can find on the subscription section just right here. Okay, and your plan will continue without interruption. The second case is your plan already expired. So if your subscription fully ended, you will need to click on upgrade or choose a plan from here. Okay, so then you will need just to go with subscribe, and then you will need to choose your preferred subscription, yearly or monthly, and then you will need to enter the payment details right here and then just confirm, and access restores immediately after payment. The third case of the payment failed. So if your subscription was paused due to payment failure, you will need just go with update payments method at the button that you can find on the subscription option or section, and then just add a valid card and confirm the payments, and once processed, access will be restored. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.